Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. I'm going ahead to demonstration the newest products on my right hands. This is a 2 liters, the commercial blender. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. The units from to the behinds, they are almost about like a 14 inches deep. And the overall height of the unit is about like a 20.5 inches. The length from left to the right is about like a 9.5 inches wide. As we can see, the units, they have a simple functions. All they display right here. They have a powers and the timers and the speed adjusters at the front. Also have the pause buttons for you to use in any emergencies. And also the units coming with silent covers. You can simply pull it up. And when we remove the jar, we can see the blenders, the motors right here. And also you see the blades inside of it. And also the capacity for this one, the jar, is about like a 2 liters in total. And also when we're looking the behind of the units, we will see the ETL sanitation stickers. And also when we pull it up, we can see the cut sheet information at the bottoms. And also the units using the standard 110, this is the standard 110 plugs. This will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.